In this video, I'll show you how to make a boomerang from an existing video and creating a new boomerang as well. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like, and let's jump straight into this guide. Just a quick note, this guide is going to work on both iOS and Android devices. The steps are very similar and I'll show you what you need to do. And in this video, I will be primarily showing you how to make an existing video into a boomerang, but I'll also show you how to make a new video as well. So if you want to go and create a new video, then all you want to do is open up Instagram, swipe across just like so, and then go and tap on boomerang, and you can go and film your boomerang just like so, and then it's going to go and make it for you. But you may have an existing video which you want to go and convert, which I'll show you how. All you need to do is open up the App Store or Play Store, depending on what type of device you use, and you want to go and search for Loop Video just like so. Now there are very similar apps on Android as well as iPhone. On iPhone I use this one here, Loop Videos and GIF Maker, but it's a very similar app on Android as well on the Play Store, so definitely go and use that. And all you want to do is go and download it and then go and click open. Now it is important to note that this is a free app, but there is like a paid sort of subscription version, so you may get ads as well because it's a free app, and there's also, like I said, a premium version as well. So all you want to do is open up the app and tap on the plus button in the bottom right, and then your camera roll should load, and we get an ad, but just wait a moment. And so here is my camera roll, so I'm going to go and tap on the video I want to use, which is this one here. Then it's going to go and load it, as you can see, just wait, and then we're going to go and trim the video to what we actually want to use in the loop and the boomerang. So in this case, I'm dropping a pen in this clip, as you can see a pen move down, or a highlighter I should say. So I want it to start here, and then I want it to end just when the highlighter gets to the bottom, so about here. Then once you're happy with that, you can play it back just like so. All you then need to do is go and tap on this blue arrow in the top right, and as you can see, it's now processing, so it'll take a moment to do this depending on the length of the clip. Then as you can see, it's now been turned into a boomerang. It's that easy, but at the bottom you can go and change the direction, speed, repeat, and you can also add text and stickers with the premium version, or the pro version I have to say. But if you're happy with that, then all you need to do is tap on save in the top right just like so, and you'll need to watch a video before you can save it to your camera roll. And it's now finished, and it says reward granted, so we can go and tap on it just like that, and after that you'll then see the export options, and as you can see, you can go and choose the quality. There's quite a range here. You've got 720p, 1080p and 4K, and then for the bottom row of options you've got save video and save GIF. Save GIF basically means it's going to continue. With video it's only going to repeat once. I'll give you a quick example. I've gone and saved it as both video and GIF in 720p. Feel free to increase the quality and I'll show you the outcome. So this is what it looks like when you save it as a video. As you can see, it just happens once and then it stops, but with a GIF it's going to go and continue the repeat. As you can see, it keeps looping forever because it's a GIF. So therefore you may want to use a GIF to go and create a really good boomerang, and then you can go and post the GIF or the video depending which one you prefer on your story or any social media you like. If you found this useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.